In this video, I'm going to show you how I'm currently earning hundreds per day yield farming meme coins on Solana. So at the moment, the volume is really good on Solana. I tend to try to earn $100 a day, and pretty much for months I've hit it. So I try to earn $100 and then I don't yield farm anymore. But for this video, I've pretty much spread out a bit more. I put some thousands in, and what I've currently got is Doge. I brought into this around 22 million, 25 million. It's currently 48 million. I don't mind if it drops. We'll just collect some more Doge. And this one is a Lingyang. This is a panda meme. I'm not majorly optimistic. I did buy in. I was yield farming around here, and it did drop. And then I sold there, and that's had a run up. It looks like it's doing okay. So I brought in around 4 million back in. I think 4.4 million. It's currently 6 million in market cap. This is my newest addition. I also called this on my Telegram channel. The link is in the description if you want to follow my calls. Strategic Bitcoin Reserve. I think what happens with meme coins is the ones that gain the most attention tend to fly. This is going to be talked about. So even something that isn't, even if it doesn't come to fruition, it's going to be talked about. People are going to be tweeting about it. People know about it. If there's any announcement, this will fly to 100 mil. So fingers crossed it does. And this is my pool. I put in about $1,000. It's now 1.5 million, and therefore I'm collecting. So I'll show you the results. So this is one wallet, and we've got the Yin Yang. I put $500 in, and I put $500 in the Doge one. So we've yielded some profits, about $100 on this. Bear in mind, this is only 6 hours and I'm planning to leave it overnight. And we've got roughly around $60. So we're nearly $200 up on this, and we're all in profit. So the likelihood of us losing out is quite low. The chances of these going to zero overnight is quite low, but it can still happen, of course. However, we own all of the pools. So all of the pools in liquidity, I think apart from one of them, I think I'm sharing the pool with other people in that Doge one. But the Yin Yang and this one, definitely, this one is probably going to make the most money if it picks up volume, simply because there's not many liquidity pools for this. And in my previous video, the one in the top right, I'll link it in the bottom actually. Watch that, and it shows you why these pools end up being profitable. And for our Yin Yang, we put $500 as well. So for this one, we're up $400 nearly, and we're up $11 in yield. So that's a total of around today $600, which is really good. And hopefully we're going to earn a lot more with that.